In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Ledger Live accounts to a new device. Now, if you need any of your Ledger devices, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you use my link, you will get the best prices on the official Ledger devices as well as some bonus Bitcoin along the way, and you'll also support my channel. Now, to actually move Ledger Live accounts to a new device, this is what you have to do. You have to start by downloading and installing the Ledger Live app on your new phone or computer from their official website, okay, from Ledger's official website. And then once you install it, so this is essentially the app over here, you'll be able to start the Ledger Live and begin the onboarding process, okay? So here I have this set up already, as you can see, but I'm going to just show you how this is going to look like, okay? So if I launch this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have to select which ledger you have. For example, this one, the Ledger Nano S. And then here, you have to go down here to this part where it says already have a recovery phrase. And then you want to just click on connect your ledger or connect your device, whichever device it is. And then after you do that, you'll be able to just connect to it, enter in your PIN code, connect your device to essentially your computer or phone or whatever you're using, and then you'll be able to just re-add your accounts one by one using your Ledger device, okay? So of course, that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.